Hello students, welcome to Chapter 2, Electronics Basics and Components. Have you ever wondered how a bulb glows or how your fan works? The answer is electricity. In this lesson, we will learn how electricity works and how electronic components help us build circuits. What is electricity? Let's explore what electricity is and how it works. Electricity is the flow of electrons through a conducting material. This flow of electrons is called electric current. Electrons are very small particles inside atoms. When they move, electricity is created. When electrons move, they carry energy that powers devices like lights, fans, and TVs. The three key quantities of electricity. Voltage, unit is volt, and the symbol V. Voltage means the push or pressure that drives electrons through the circuit. Voltage is the force that pushes electrons to move. It is like water pressure in a pipe. Higher pressure means stronger flow. Current, unit is ampere, and the symbol is A. Current means the amount of charge, electrons, flowing through the circuit per second. Current is the flow of electrons in a wire. Just like water flowing in a pipe, electricity flows through wires. Resistance, unit is ohm and the symbol is ohm. Resistance means how much a component opposes or slows down the flow of current. Resistance is what slows down the flow of electricity. It is like a narrow pipe that makes it harder for water to pass. So remember, electrons move to voltage, pushes to current flows to resistance, slows it down. That's how electricity works. Thank you. See you in the next video of electric circuits.